Is the 2025 Nissan Rogue the compact SUV we've all been waiting for? It promises smart tech, bold design, and improved performance, but does it deliver? With so many options in the compact SUV market, standing out is no easy task. But Nissan says the new Rogue is smarter, sleeker, and more capable than ever before. So today, we're breaking it all down, the good, the bad, and everything in between. If you're thinking about getting a new SUV or just love learning about new cars, you're in the right place. We'll look at performance, features, design, price, and how it stacks up against the competition. By the end of this video, you'll know if the 2025 Rogue is worth your attention or your money. So hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let's take this Rogue for a virtual spin. Find out if Nissan really nailed it this time? Let's dive into what makes this SUV one of the most talked about in its class. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Rogue is its updated exterior design. Nissan gave it a bolder front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and more muscular lines. It's got a modern, confident look that's less family hauler and more urban explorer. They've added new color options too, including a striking bolder gray pearl and deep ocean blue. It still maintains that compact size that's perfect for city driving and tight parking spots. The two-tone roof option gives it a premium, upscale feel that wasn't always present in past Rogues. Wheel options now go up to 19 inches, giving it a sportier stance. On the inside, the design is equally thoughtful. Clean lines, soft-touch materials, and a very driver-focused layout. Nissan added more sound insulation too, making it one of the quieter cabins in the class. Overall, the 2025 Rogue looks more expensive than it is, and that's a big win. But what about what's under the hood? Powering the 2025 Rogue is Nissan's 1.5-liter VC turbo 3-cylinder engine. Yes, it's small, but it's no slouch, putting out 201 horsepower and 225 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 in similar trims. The VC turbo tech lets the engine adjust compression on the fly, balancing power and fuel economy. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which Nissan has refined for smoother driving. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive is available on all trims. Handling has also been improved thanks to tighter steering and suspension tweaks. It's not a performance SUV by any means, but it's peppy enough for daily driving. It also tows up to 1,500 pounds, enough for a small trailer or weekend gear. Fuel economy is solid too, with up to 33 mpg on the highway. So yeah, small engine, big performance. Step inside the 2025 Rogue, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Nissan has seriously upgraded the cabin to make it more premium and tech-friendly. Depending on the trim, you'll find quilted leather seats, a panoramic moonroof, and real aluminum or wood accents. Rear seat space is generous, with enough legroom even for taller passengers. The zero-gravity front seats, designed to reduce fatigue, are some of the best in the business. There's plenty of cargo space too, 36.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expandable to over 74 with the seats folded. Families will appreciate the rear doors that open nearly 90 degrees, great for loading kids or gear. The center console is wide, organized, and includes deep storage space for bags or gadgets. Climate control zones are now available for rear passengers too. It feels like Nissan paid attention to every detail, big and small. But let's talk about the tech, because that's where things really get interesting. The 2025 Rogue features Nissan's updated infotainment system, and it's a major step up. Most trims now get a 12.3-inch touchscreen with crisp graphics and fast response. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, with wireless versions on higher trims. You also get a customizable digital gauge cluster and a head-up display. Amazon Alexa integration is new this year, letting you control smart home devices from your car. Higher trims offer a Bose premium audio system that sounds fantastic. You can even use voice commands to adjust climate or navigate hands-free. There's also a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, multiple USB-C ports, and wireless charging. It's packed with convenience and built for a connected lifestyle. And with Nissan's remote access app, you can lock, unlock, or start the Rogue from anywhere. If you love tech, the 2025 Rogue delivers big time. Nissan continues to impress with its standard safety features. Every Rogue comes with the Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite. That includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Adaptive cruise control and lane centering are standard on mid to higher trims. There's also Pro Pilot Assist, Nissan's semi-autonomous driving tech. It keeps you centered in your lane and can bring the car to a full stop in traffic. New for 2025 is the Junction Assist system, which helps prevent collisions at intersections. The 360-degree camera gives a top-down view, making parking a breeze. Nissan has clearly made safety a top priority, and it shows. With a 5-star safety rating expected again, the Rogue is one of the safest picks out there. And peace of mind is priceless when it comes to your family. The 2025 Rogue comes in 4 main trims: S, SV, SL, and Platinum. Prices start at around $28,000 for the base S model. The SV trim adds more convenience and safety features and starts around $30,500. If you want leather, bigger screens, and advanced tech, go for the SL, about $35,000. At the top is the Platinum, which feels downright luxurious at $38,000. All-wheel drive adds about $1,500 to each trim. Compared to competitors, the Rogue is priced competitively, especially considering all the features. Nissan often runs specials and lease deals too, so keep an eye out. There's good value at every level depending on your needs. And with its low cost of ownership, it's a smart long-term choice. But how does it compare to the rest of the market? In the compact SUV world, the Rogue competes with the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, and Hyundai Tucson. The RAV4 has great resale value, but its interior feels a bit dated now. The CR-V is smooth and practical, but less exciting to look at. Mazda's CX-5 drives like a sports car, but has a smaller cargo area. Hyundai Tucson is packed with tech, but some find its styling polarizing. The Rogue finds a balance. It's stylish, spacious, and well-equipped. It doesn't necessarily win every category, but it's strong in almost all of them. Plus, Nissan's VC turbo engine gives it an edge in performance and MPG. If you want a balanced SUV that's not trying too hard but still stands out, the Rogue makes a great case. Sometimes, balance is what really matters. So is it the best? Let's explore that next. What's it like to live with a Rogue day-to-day? Owners say it's reliable, easy to drive, and great for both families and commuters. Parking is simple thanks to its size and camera tech. The ride is smooth, even on rougher roads, and it's quiet inside. Fuel economy stays consistent, even with AWD models. It's not the fastest SUV out there, but it's confident and comfortable. Long road trips? No problem. The seats and tech make it feel like a luxury SUV. Loading up for Costco runs or kids' sports gear, there's space for that too. It's a great all-rounder, and most buyers seem to love it. Nissan's warranty and low maintenance costs are the cherry on top. That's why it continues to be a bestseller year after year. So, is the 2025 Nissan Rogue the best compact SUV out right now? It might just be, especially if you value style, comfort, tech, and efficiency. It's not a performance SUV, and it won't turn heads like a luxury brand. But for the price, it punches well above its weight class. The new design looks fantastic, the engine is clever, and the features are hard to beat. Plus, it's safe, practical, and reliable. Everything you want in a daily driver. For most people, that's more than enough. So yes, it's not just good, it's one of the best in the game. If you're shopping in this segment, the Rogue deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the Rogue over a RAV4 or CR-V? And don't forget to subscribe for more honest car reviews and breakdowns just like this.